جی السلام علیکم، آپ دیکھ رہے ہیں انگلش ایزی ٹرکس ود محمد شعیب۔ تو آج جو ہمارا چیپٹر ہے وہ ہے دا آرٹ آف مسلم ویمن انٹرپرینورشپ۔ تو ہم اس کی کمپریہنشن کی کوشچن کریں گے۔ میں آپ کو بتا چکا ہوں کہ یہ جو بھی چیپٹر ہم کریں گے یہ سارے اسی سیکوینس میں ہوں گے جیسے ٹیکسٹ لکھا ہوا ہے۔ سب کو میں نے پیسجز میں ڈیوائیڈ کیا ہوا ہے اور انہیں کو ڈیوائیڈ کر کے پھر انہیں میں سے کویسچن بنائے ہوئے ہیں، ٹھیک ہے۔ تو اب یہ جو پہلا پیسج ہے وہ یہ یہاں سے شروع ہوتا ہے وین آئی تھنک اباؤٹ دا ویمن ان بزنس، یہاں سے لے کے وہ ہے فائنینشیل انڈیپینڈنس اینڈ بیونڈ۔ اب اس کے کمپریہنشن کویسچنز ہیں، ہو از دا مسلم لیڈر مینشنڈ ان دا ٹیکسٹ ایز اے سکسیزفل بزنس وومن، کس کا ذکر ہوا ہے؟ حضرت خدیجہ کا۔ تو میں آپ کو ہمیشہ کہتا ہوتا ہوں کہ میری کوشش ہوگی کہ سارے کویسچن مکس ہوں، ایزی بھی ہوں، تھوڑا سا کمپریہنشن بیس بھی ہوں۔ کمپریہنشن کا مطلب ہوتا ہے کہ پہلے آپ اس کو انڈرسٹینڈ کریں، اس کا کلیئرلی کویسچن کا آنسر نہیں ملتا، آپ کو تھوڑا سا اس پہ سوچنا پڑتا ہے لیکن ہوتا ہے موجود۔ واٹ واز حضرت ختیجہ رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ known for in her time? She controlled one of the most important caravan trades. What message does Hazrat Khatija رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ lives convey the women in a business? Her life shows that achieving financial independence and self-sustenance is a real possibility for the women. What is significance of Carmel Mall in the context of Muslim women in the business? The Carmel Mall is an example of Muslim women starting their own business and achieving success despite not being considered legitimate business owners. What is the importance of appreciating the achievements of Muslim women in business ownership and financial independence? It is essential to recognize and appreciate accomplishment of Muslim women in business to promote the female entrepreneurship and empowerment۔ میرا نہیں خیال کہ اس میں مزید کوئی ایکسپلینیشن کی ضرورت ہوگی، ہوپ فلی آپ لوگوں کے لیے یہ ایزی ہوگا۔ How does حضرت خدیجہ رضی اللہ تعالیٰ عنہ legacy inspire Muslim women in business today? Her legacy serves as a role model demonstrating that women can achieve financial independence and achieve in the business despite obstacles۔ ٹھیک ہے کہ رکاوٹوں کے باوجود بھی کامیابی مل سکتی ہے ان کو۔ What does the text suggest about the potential for a female entrepreneur to empower the Muslim women? The text implies that the female entrepreneur has the potential to promote financial independence, self-sustenance and empowerment among the Muslim women۔ یہ پیسج 2 ہے، since I was very young، یہاں سے لے کر advice and wisdom تک۔ اس کی کمپریہنشن کویسچن دیکھتے ہیں۔ What was the author's childhood dream? To own her own business۔ What motivated the authors to consider starting her own business? Watching Somali women and start and succeed in businesses۔ What was the topic of reviving sisterhood economic empowerment event attended by the author? How to start a business۔ تو یہاں پہ شارٹ لکھے ہوئے ہیں اس وجہ سے کہ میری کوشش ہوتی ہے کہ آپ جب لکھیں تو آپ اسے اپنا سینٹینس کریٹ کر کے لکھیں۔ How questions did the author have before attending the event? The first step to opening a small business, knowing when you are successful and imagining and managing failure۔ How did attending the Reviving Sisterhoods event help the author? The event provided the author with valuable experience, advice, and wisdom to address her questions and concerns about starting a business। What does the author's experience suggest about the importance of seeking guidance and support when starting business? The author's experience highlights the value of seeking advice and wisdom for experienced individuals, especially for the women and minority entrepreneurs who may face the unique challenges۔ اب اسی کا سیکنڈ ہے، انیسہ حاجی started her own business سے لے کر and what is your end goal؟ یہ دیکھتے ہیں۔ What industry did Anisa Haji fight against by starting her own business? The skin lightening industry۔ What is the main aim of Anisa's skincare product to care for the melanated skin and inspire black and brown women to appreciate their natural beauty؟ What motivated Annie Kasser to start her business? Her passion for embracing her South Asian heritage and its healing traditions. What impressed the author about Anissa's and Annie businesses? The author was impressed by their creativity and business outcomes. How did sisters who attended the event participate? How did the sister who attended the event participate? They shared their experiences, gave advice, and asked questions. What did Anisa give regarding starting a business? Anisa advised remembering what motivates you to start a business, identifying the spark that pushes you toward the entrepreneur, and defining your end goal. What does Anisa's and Annie's stories suggest about the role of passion and personal values in entrepreneurship? Their stories highlights the importance of passion and personal values in driving entrepreneurial ventures and demonstrate how businesses can be a powerful means of promoting social change and personal empowerment. पैसेज 3 है द क्वेश्चंस आर इम्पॉर्टेंट ये यहाँ से शुरू हो रहा है और ये ख़त्म हो रहा है होम एंड गेट फीडबैक बिफोर स्टार्टिंग बिग. What motivates entrepreneurs, especially Muslim women business owners, beyond the financial success? A personal mission, passion, community awareness, changing narratives, are giving back. What does the authors call the integration of a personal values and business goal? The art of entrepreneurship. What is the author's personal entrepreneurial goal? To start a food truck serving yummy food in Minnesota. What motivates the author to pursue this business idea? Her love for sharing meals, connecting with people, and building community. What is the author's next step in turning her business idea into reality? To talk to owners of restaurants and food trucks and learn from their experiences. How does the author plan to test her business idea before launching it? By cooking for a small group of people from her office and seeking feedback. What does the author's approach to entrepreneurs suggest about the importance of aligning business goals with the personal values and passions? The author's approach highlights the importance of integrating personal values and passions into business's goal, leading to a more meaningful and sustainable entrepreneurial venture. तो यहाँ से पैसेज 4 शुरू होता है encourage every Muslim women से entrepreneur for the next generation to think about how their passions and talent what does the author encourage Muslim women to do to think about how their passions and talent align and how they can turn that into a business? What misconceptions about the business market does the author address? The idea that the business market is too competitive and the women should stay away from it. What examples does the author cite to inspire Muslim women entrepreneurs? Women from their own communities who have overcome business challenges and developed sustainable incomes. What benefits can Muslim women entrepreneurs bring to their families and communities? A sustainable income, financial uplift, and a positive example for the next generation. How does the author view failure in business? As an opportunity for the growth and learning and not as hindrance to progress. What message does author convey to Muslim women about their potential and entrepreneurs that they have the power to uplift themselves, their families, and their communities through the entrepreneurship? What does the author's call to action suggest about the importance of economic empowerment for the Muslim women? That economic empowerment is an essential for Muslim women independence, self-sufficiency, and ability to make positive impact on their communities. तो होपफुली आप लोगों को चीज़ समझ आई होगी. मैं उर्दू में ज़्यादा ट्रांसलेट नहीं करता, वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी हो जाती है, ये कंप्रीहेंशन है. होपफुली आप लोगों को समझ आ रही होगी. कंप्रीहेंशन वाली वीडियोस को कैसे इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है, मज़ीद इसमें किस तरह के चेंजेस आप लोग चाहते हैं, اس پہ کمنٹ ضرور کر دیجیے گا. یور آئیڈیاز آر ویلکم. تھینک یو سو مچ.